quick insight here into some of the turbo nozzles that we stock at G&S. We've got various different sizes, extremely efficient, and we're going to show you a little bit more about how they work. Right, so as you can see, we'll just unscrew this here, and you can see inside the nozzle there's got a little ceramic nozzle which spins around at extremely fast rate as the water enters the chamber, and you'll see the water comes in at an angle here through the chamber, which causes the nozzle inside to spin. It's a brass chamber which can withstand a lot of high water pressures, and it is not a lot of people realise it is actually a serviceable item, so you can get a repair kit for this, which comes with a nozzle tip and an O-ring, so you can replace these items, and as you see, it's a really quality nozzle, developed and manufactured by Suttner in Germany, and it's one of the best on the market. And yeah, and you can order online from our website, and yeah, pick one up today.